What's going on, buddy? Soloyaker here, and I'm going to be talking about a records request that I put in back in October 1st. I'll pop up the original email of when I, started all this, so I'll roll that. But anyway, it took until yesterday, Friday, January 8th, for me to get this record fulfilled from the FDLE. A lot of people, I heard that I probably wasn't going to be able to get any of this Florida Fusion Center result stuff, because they specifically talk about like strategic planning and a lot of stuff. Like there's a lot going on with this, and the thing is that when you see all the screenshots of this entire record, the crazy thing is that you've got multiple agencies just putting a be on the lookout for a guy that's doing nothing unlawful. Like all this is just it's like why? Like why are they doing this? I get that I carry a gun. I get that. But do we need to make all these I don't know. I just it like I've got more records requests coming after this. It's going to be FCIC, a bunch of other hey, stop hitting that ass. But yeah, I've got a lot more records coming that are gonna probably open my eyes to why it's very important to not give your information so that you get put into databases like this. This is for me, it's just insane. But the screenshots and everything. It's not a very, 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 very long video, but I hope this helps people understand that sometimes this is what happens, and I guess whatever it is, what it is. But you know, there's got to be some kind of change. We've got to change some part of this. I just don't agree with how they're doing it and why they're doing it. So don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button if you are interested in a custom sticker. I do make custom stickers. The link will be in the description below. And reach out to me, whatever, pretty much on anything you want. I mean, if you just tell me what it is you want, and I'll come up with some different renderings, and then we'll go from there. So, I'm going to get out of here. Soloyaker. Deuces. And if you made it this far in the video, this is complete bullcrap. I mean, just extremely heavily redacted. Just once again, people said I wasn't going to be able to get a lot of this information, but the fact that a lot of this and like I really want to know who. I want to know why. I want to know all this. And most of it's all redacted. There's a couple of them that I do know about, so I'm going to be digging deeper. I've got FWC now. They're going to get a records request about this situational awareness or whatever they put out on me. Once again, I get, what I'm doing, but they're creating a be on the lookout for a guy that's following the law. Like, it doesn't make any sense. At all. But I appreciate all of you for watching this video all the way to the end. Make sure you're hitting that thumbs up. Make sure you're still continually subscribed to my channel. A lot of people have been telling me that they just randomly get unsubscribed. So always double check that little subscribe button, and make sure you're hitting that bell so that you get notified. But I'm going to get out of here. Soloyaker, deuces.